Hi, Adam here. I am the owner of Vintique Motors, and today I want to do a little walk around out here in the sun, as well as a driving demonstration on this 67 Alfa Romeo GT. So as you can see, beautifully finished in red. I like to say a standard color on these. I've seen them, obviously in green and white, but I always think they look the best in red. Don't know too much history on this one, but I do know it spent a number of years in California before coming here to Michigan and joining the collection of a local collector here, predominantly Ferraris and Alfa Romeos. It's been looked after. I'm going to call this one a really high-end driver. It's not a show car, by a concours standard, but it's a beautiful, beautiful driver. Got the very nice black interior, LeCarra wood wheel. We'll go ahead and pop the door open over here so you can see everything. Seats, I'm pretty sure, have been redone. Carpet as well. Overall, a really nice presentation. Under the hood is all stock. Yeah, other than that, I think it's just the tires that are a little. I wouldn't say they're normal for a car like this, but they're Nitto NT 555s, 555s. So they got some grip to them. If you want to have a little spirited fun with them, these are the tires that were on it when I got the car. So the next owner wants to change them out, you're free to pick whatever tires you want. So let's go for a little drive. And over here, I always think it's pretty cool. Alfa Romeo Owners Club of Southern California. Pretty neat. So standard flare, other than the LeCarra wheel. Over here, we got a little crack in the dash material, the dash door, glove box door. Current odometer showing 68,644. Do not know if that's original, so we're gonna go total mileage unknown. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Get our fuel pump going. And this is pretty much a cold start. I just pulled it out of our facility here to do a that little walk around and go for our little drive here, but it was only running for 30 seconds, if that. The one other item I'm not too thrilled with on the interior is over here. This at one time broke. I tried to find if Alfaholics had one. They didn't. I've been trying to find one on the internet, but we just kind of band-aided it together and put it back on just for the purposes of having a rear view mirror. But just want everyone to know that's the case with the rear view mirror. Beautiful 80-degree Michigan day here. Spring has finally come. And it's a glorious day to be cruising around in a vintage Alfa. Right now I'm in third gear, cruising along. And I really like this route we're gonna go on. It's out of the traffic, and there's some nice twisties in it. Shift to fourth gear at 40 miles an hour. Got really good oil pressure. Fuel gauge is working. Oil temp, if it's not working, it hasn't moved yet. Water temp is working, it's starting to come up. And of course the tach and the speedometer are working. Radio is in op, does not work. Oh yeah, brakes were great. Do our turnaround point. Synchros are working awesome, no issues. Try to keep our speed up through this 30-mile-an-hour S-turn, have a little fun with it. Yeah, these Nittos really grip. Super fun driving experience with these little Alfas. Hanging on for dear life. We're gonna have to reattach that one. I'm gonna still try and find a metal bracket. I was surprised Alfaholics did not have one, so I'm gonna keep searching. But we're gonna be offering this vehicle on Bring a Trailer. I'm a volume seller on BAT. Been selling on there since 2015. Coming up on our 200th listing. So if you have any questions, please reach out via the contact seller button. Be happy to answer anything I can for you. Also can give you a shipping quote if you need. I ship cars all over the country. So give me your zip code and reach out via the contact seller button with your zip code, and I can help you out with a shipping quote. There we go. Getting our green here. There we go. Yeah, our water temp has come up to standard 120 Fahrenheit, and it does not appear our oil temp gauge is working, unless again it's still cool. But doubt it would be. So looks like that's the only gauge in on. This driving video demonstrates the characteristics and merits of this example. So happy to again happy to answer any questions towards your bidding interest on Bring a Trailer. With that, good luck everyone.